All right, so I've got a cannon, and they tell me that my cannonball is going to leave the cannon with a velocity, oh, let's say 5 meters per second. And they tell us that this angle, well, we'll say it's 35 degrees. So my velocity vector has got a magnitude of 5 meters per second. And I've got, and the angle of my vector is 35 degrees. So I can rewrite my velocity vector as Vx in the I direction plus Vy in the J direction. And Vx is going to be my 5 meters per second cosine of my angle, 35 degrees in the I direction, plus 5 meters per second sine of my angle in the J direction. So I can do it a couple of different ways. I can just say Vx is equal to 5 cosine 35 degrees, and Vy is equal to 5 sine of 35 degrees. And then I can actually, if I do the calculation here, I get 5 times cosine 35. That gives me 4.10 meters per second. 5 times sine of 35. That gives me 2.88 meters per second. And then I can do my Y direction and my X direction, whichever way that you needed it to go. That makes sense? Okay. Other questions?